Python variables and data types, a comprehensive tutorial. In Python, variables are used to store and manipulate data. Each variable has a name and a value associated with it. Python is a dynamically typed language, meaning you don't need to explicitly declare the type of a variable. This tutorial will cover the basics of variables and data types in Python. Table of contents. 1. Variable declaration and assignment. 2. Naming conventions for variables. 3. Basic data types in Python. 4. Type conversion. 5. Mutable and immutable data types. 6. Conclusion. Variable declaration and assignment. In Python, variables are created and assigned values using the assignment operator equals. For example, x equals 5, name equals John. Naming conventions for variables. Variable names in Python can consist of letters both uppercase and lowercase, numbers, and underscores. However, they must start with a letter or an underscore, and cannot be a reserved keyword. Some examples of valid variable names are h, count, I, bar, un. Basic data types in Python. A. Numeric data types. Integer int represents whole numbers, positive or negative. Float represents decimal numbers. Complex represents numbers with a real and imaginary part. B. String data type. String str represents a sequence of characters enclosed in single quotes or double quotes. C. Boolean data type. Boolean bool represents either true or false. D. None data type. None represents the absence of a value or a null value. Type conversion. Python provides built-in functions to convert variables from one data type to another. Some commonly used conversion functions are: int converts a variable to an integer. Float converts a variable to a float. Str converts a variable to a string. Example: x equals 5, y equals 10, z equals float x plus in y, print z output 15. Mutable and immutable data types. In Python, some data types are mutable, meaning their values can be changed, while others are immutable, meaning their values cannot be changed once they are assigned. Immutable data types include integers, floats, strings, and tuples, while mutable data types include lists and dictionaries. Example: x equals 5, x equals 10 valid. The value of integer variable x can be changed. My list equals 1, 2, 3. My list. Append 4 valid. The list can be modified. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we cover the basics of variables and data types in Python. Variables are used to store data, and Python provides several built-in data types such as integers, floats, strings, booleans, and none. Understanding these concepts is essential for writing efficient and effective Python programs. Remember to practice and experiment with different data types and variable manipulations to solidify your understanding. Happy coding!